Hello there, my dear Aquarius friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your weekly reading commencing 18th of November. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Aquarius. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's start. Love and light. Namaste. Okay, let's see. Okay, my spirit guides. What are your messages for our dear Aquarius fans for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides. What are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides. What are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Um, oh, sorry. Yes. Okay, let's see what's the bottom of the deck. Oh, jealousy. You are surrounded with some ill will people because of jealousy, so be careful. You feel, you can feel it, that there are people around you who is jealous, who are your frenemies, friend but enemies. They are gossiping about you. They are so jealous about you. Okay, so this is a warning card. Think about making any decision. Okay, so yeah, it says in here. Oh, right. Okay, so for those who are dealing with a breakup in a relationship, yes, there is a deceit in here. You were deceived by someone who you love. Um, or for those who are in a career issue or business issue, someone deceives you. The person who really you trusted with, yeah, a trusted person deceive you, cheat on you, backstabbing you. In the romantic area, yes, your loved one, your dear one is really cheated on you. Lies ahead in you. Yes. Let's see. See, some bad news is coming. Maybe you receive it already for some of you, so you will be worrying about it. So, but please don't take it serious. I mean, don't let this affect you, because I can feel it in here that for some of you is suffering from a heart problem, a swollen heart, a heart that is congenital, heart problem. I mean, yes, congenitally, yes, I mean, meaning you were born with it. Yeah, heart disease, yes. So please, with this, when you're dealing, for those who are having heart problems, please deal your problems with slowly, and do not let your problems affect you, because it is really You know, heart problems is really a dangerous one. I'm not scaring you, but because I'm a nurse, I am giving you a piece of advice. Okay, let's see. Illness. As I have told you, do not let this bad news worry you a lot because it will end up for an illness. You know, because with this bad news, you will worry, you cannot sleep, it making you agitated, restless. As for some of you, drinking too much alcohol, drinks, you're having depression in here, personal loss, and it will end up to an illness. Yeah, yes, for those who have broken promises, this is the one that making you feel bad. No, my dear Aquarius, it's not end of life. I mean, end of the world. Yeah, if this one giving you problem, chunk it. Okay, ignore it. Try to ignore it or resolve it. Resolve it in a good way. Yes, two of diamonds. It's maybe for those who are entrepreneurs, you are dealing a business relationship problem in here. Someone cheated on you. There is a gossips around. For the right. Yes, it says in here for those who have business relationship problems. Yes, those who are dealing with a forbidden love affair that is not approved by a family, by your colleagues, because maybe this person is married or committed to some, committed to a relationship, or maybe you are the one married. Yeah, yes, you are dealing with these malicious gossips, which is it's up to you if you will continue to deal with this forbidden love affair. And for those who are having a breakdown in their business, I mean, having financial problems or business is not growing or business is stagnant, or for those who are having a problem at work like that, please do not let this affect you deeply. Okay, it is just only a life challenge to deal with. Stay strong, be courageous, and try to step out from that toxic situation. There is a motherly figure, water sign in here, who will give you a kind advice, full of wisdom that will guide you to that um, situation, because this motherly figure is seeing you depressed and problematic. So she will try to save you up from that toxic situation. So listen, maybe this is your mother or a very good friend of yours, or I can see it in here, a business partner, or maybe a boss in your job. So this is the woman that is really giving you a hardship and spreading malicious gossips. It's an earth sign energy, a woman who is really an indifferent woman. It is a Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, but as I've said, ignore, ignore, ignore. See, malicious gossips in here, and this is obstructing your um your time to supposed to receive a lot of blessings, a positive opportunities. Yeah, it's really obstructing because of the disappointments you are dealing with at the moment. So please don't let this one. So this is four of diamonds. For some of you, you are going to travel to unwind yourself. Better to spend time in nature. Go to the seaside that you can feel, breath the fresh air. Park full of trees with singing birds, peaceful, quiet environment. And for some of you, will be receiving money an inheritance money, and an older person is going to give you advice in here to it, and it is very good, useful, that you can use this advice or significant information regarding the project or plans that you are going to start. Okay, so let's see the tarot cards. What are the further messages that has in store for you, my dear Aquarius, for the week commencing 18th of November? Oh, let's see. Sorry. um, let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. The bottom of the deck is the Lovers. This is a Gemini card. Yes, associated with Gemini energy, it's a yes or no card. Um, Aligned to Venus, planet Mercury, communication and the mentality. You know, you are a good communicator, my dear Aquarius friends. Okay, and you are very intellectual as well. So use your being brainy, okay, and a good communicator, and aligned to heart chakra. So major choices is going to make. Okay, so you will be meeting soulmate, or you are now with your soulmate, and please, there is a temptation in the card, so avoid the temptation, because as I've said earlier in the reading, that for some of you, you will be having a trouble in the relationship. Okay, so please do not involve with a forbidden love affair. um, so you are being put to the test in here. Okay, so please, please, please. Um, Temperance, Major Arcana number 14. It is a yes card associated with Sagittarian energy and aligned to Jupiter, which is expansion, growth and expansion. So, and aligned to solar plexus chakra, which is you can have whatever you want, whatever you desires in life. So you are uh, getting birthing new ideas in here. You are now starting to be creative. Partnership, business partnership, it's or a romantic partnership looks very good in here, because it's a soulmate, as I've said earlier on, it's your soulmate. So you are getting new home, new pets, and for some of you, you have a missing item in here, like a, a ring. Yes, a ring, uh-huh, or yeah, that is really dear to you, valuable to you, with a sentimental value to you. But as I've said, you are just put into a test in here, and it will just um come out. Okay, so if you really lost that missing item outside, well, you have to accept that it really bound to be uh, to be out from your life. Okay, so do not think too much of it. Okay, there is an inner calm in here, and forgiveness is needed in here. So it's a reverse Queen of Pentacles. Okay, it says in here it's supposed to be abundance. Yeah, as I've said, if you will be worrying a lot and you will let this bad news that you are going to receive, then it will obstruct your abundance is about to you. So it says in here, there will be an instability, insecurity, someone, those who are lazy, please try to do an action now, okay? Because abundance is knocking on your door. It's time to take an action now, okay? Use your being intellectual, um, very being smart. Most of you are leaders, you know. So motivation is needed in here, okay? So let's see. Um, I can feel it in here that most of you things is now turning in your favor. So for those who are lazy, that is in the card, please, it's time for you to get up and take an action, okay? For those who are dealing with legal issues, scandals, fights, arguments, legal arguments, there is justice will prevail, okay? So I can feel it in here as well that those who are um, suffering from swollen legs, I can see it in here, legs swelling, heart problems, then seek a medical advice for that, okay? The bottom of the deck is 18, the moon, okay? So, the moon, Archangel Haniel, important psychic insight. Hmm? Events behind the scene release fears that hold you back. Oh, that's a very good insight for you, my beautiful Aquarius friends. Six of Earth. Six of Earth. Gifts of money, time, or effort, new career opportunities, receiving a loan, or paying off debts. Wow, wow, wow. That's a beautiful card. So let's see what is the animal spirit message for you, my dear and Aquarius friends, for the week commencing 18th of November. For those who applied for a loan or who is planning to apply for a loan, then do it. Yeah. Queen of Summer at the bottom of the card. It says compassionate, loving, giving, psychic. See, use your intuition, follow your instinct. Because you are a highly intuitive individual. Swan. This is a time of deep emotions and heightened intuition that you can trust completely. See, it's mind. Be mindful that you don't ignore your own needs while caring for others. Yeah. 16. Life experience. Cuckoo. Kaku. Not cuckoo. Kaku. Sorry. Important changes are coming into your life that will require you to take action. Don't hesitate to move in new directions you know are right for you. As I've said, there is a huge shift in your life, especially the finance one. Yeah. For those who are seeking a message from the spirit guides regarding their job, career, and business. Let's see what is the career cards has stored for you. Okay, the bottom of the deck is new life. Wow, new life. You may get a fresh start or be called to bring a new perspective to your old job. You may also get a tempting job offer or new place. Well, go ahead with that. Magic. Wow, wow, what a beautiful messages for you, my dear Aquarius friends. You have the power now. Use your magic to attract what you want into your life. The sky is the limit. Wow, go ahead with that. So, for those who have one question in their life, seeking for a yes or no answer, then let's see, think about it now. Okay. Okay, so if you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, it's a yes card. A taking flight, uplifting at peace with decision. Let's see. No, it's a maybe answer for you. Feeling out of sync, not compatible with you. Right, if you feel that The one that you are thinking is not really, you're not comfortable to do it, then don't do it. Okay. So thank you for watching, my dear Aquarius friends. Good luck on your journey. Love and light. Namaste.